Hi everyone. One of the most radical 18 transformations. The Fat Boy Black Apple stands as one of the most daring and innovative creations in our 18 series Softail collection. This custom build is a true testament to the art of motorcycle customization, where every detail has been meticulously crafted to push the boundaries of what's possible while preserving the essence of the original Fat Boy. From the outset, it was crucial for us to maintain the unmistakable character of the new Fat Boy. The iconic tank and fork, both hallmarks of the Fat Boy's design, were only slightly refined to enhance their natural appeal. However, nearly every other aspect of the bike underwent a radical transformation, making it a standout in the world of custom motorcycles. The centerpiece of this transformation is undoubtedly the massive big speed wheels, 21 inches at the rear and an impressive 23 inches at the front, delivering a striking visual impact that is nothing short of spectacular. These powerful wheels are complemented by tight, precision-crafted fenders and a chin spoiler that add to the bike's aggressive stance. The air ride suspension, fitted both at the front and rear, ensures that the Black Apple not only looks fierce but rides with unmatched smoothness and control. The attention to detail extends to the custom paint job, which perfectly accentuates the bike's bold design, giving it a distinct and cohesive look. We owe a huge thank you to Cruisetec and Ingo, along with his talented team, for their exceptional work on this project. Their expertise and craftsmanship have once again resulted in a masterpiece that redefines what a custom Fat Boy can be. Parts and upgrades include air ride suspension kit, grip set base rubber, flip 2 handlebar, 32 cm, turn signals stripe LED with housing, Tele fork lowering kit, hydraulic clutch conversion kit, Harley-Davidson Nacelle kit covers, Thunderbike big speed wheels, stainless steel line bracket, Pulley Brake Kit, brake disc floated big speed, 300 mm, chin fairing GP style, long, Airbox Kit Oval, derby cover torque with logo, seat plate, rear fender steel, 260 mm, Swingarm modification for pulley brake, side mount license plate bracket. The Harley-Davidson Fat Boy Custom by Thunderbike, known as the Black Apple, is more than just a motorcycle, it's a bold expression of style, power, and innovation. Every component, from the custom wheels to the finely tuned suspension, has been chosen to create a bike that not only turns heads but also delivers an unparalleled riding experience. This radical transformation showcases the potential of the Softail platform and solidifies the Black Apple as a true icon in the world of custom motorcycles. Thanks for watching.